Okay, so we are now at the end. You should have your matchmaker completed. So we're going to go to phase two. So you should be in your profile and you should have gone up to the top part and clicked on your About Me, and this should be the screen that you see. To finish off with completing the first parts of your About Me profile, you're going to take your personality test. So then you think about, okay, how does my personality affect what my career should be? Okay. So you're going to click on that and then click on Ready. And it's going to be super similar to your matchmaker quiz. It's going to ask you different questions and you're going to put what you like and don't like. Again, it's important that you follow this on a spectrum. Really think about it. You know, do I kind of like it? Do I really love it? Am I like, take it or leave it? Okay, dislike. Okay, I really don't like it, but I don't hate it. And in no way. That's absolutely not for me. So how do I feel about making agreements or negotiating and bargaining? Honestly, I do this every day with students. I don't know if y'all have talked to adolescent students before, but it is a bargain every day I negotiate with you people. So apparently I like it, okay? Working with babies and young children, I mean, I really love babies, but really adolescence is where I was at. So I don't love it, but I like it a lot. See how that goes? So take some time and answer your 28 questions. Once you're done with your personality assessment, it's going to take you to this screen and it'll give you one of the avenues of which you are most alike. Obviously for me, I'm a helper. Shocker. As you can see, I have chosen a career that fits my personality style and my matchmaking style. But you might not know those things yet. So we're going to go into complete the third phase, which is completing the mission and looking at kind of what career matches are the best for you. So you're going to come over here to where it says phase 3 and you're going to click finish quiz. Then you're going to go to land on careers. Your destination is in sight. Your answers will refine your career matches and make sure that your career matches are going to be the closest fit for you. So you're going to click on let's go. And it's going to be like a screen you've seen before, except there's 49 questions here. If you feel that with the time that's remaining, you can't get through all 49 questions, that's okay. You can literally stop at any point and come back to this screen and it's going to leave you where you left off. So if you only get through 10 questions today, that's okay. It's going to save those 10 questions. You can actually go back and change those answers if you want to ever. Click review my answers. So like using a foreign language, not sure. I mean, I can, but I'm not fluent in one. How do I feel about learning and using economics? I used to teach economics a little bit. There you go. So if I ever wanted to go back in any of the quizzes and change what I have or see what I put, let's say, maybe I do kind of like using a foreign language. I can change that. And then I can go back to my quiz. So, don't feel like, oh my gosh, I only have 5 minutes left today. I'm not going to get through 49 questions. It's all right. Start where you can and finish what you got. Well, let's say, I don't really understand what coordinating people in groups mean. At any time, you can click this little question icon, and it's going to further break down that comment. It means bringing people together, like with people, groups, similar interests, projects, service, sharing ideas or skills. Okay, I kind of do like that a lot. Okay, so if you ever have questions and you want more information, just click that little question mark box there. So you're done with your final mission complete phase of questions. You're going to see this screen. So then you're going to go to view my matches. Okay, got it. Now in the view my matches portion, there's lots of different things you can do. I'm actually going to save this portion for a separate video. If you wanted to explore on your own at this point, that's fine. But I really want to be able to have some time for you to dive in deep. So we will save the Explore My Matches for a different video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.